Datadog crashed 17% after the bell, and it just beat earnings. The reason? Its biggest AI customer is about to pull back hard. I'm Lena, and here's what moved US stocks after the bell today. First, Datadog, the software company that watches your cloud apps. Q2 revenue hit $1.12 billion, up 35.6% year over year. That beat the $1.08 billion consensus by 3.8%. Adjusted EPS of 65 cents topped the 58-cent estimate by 12%. Datadog even raised full-year revenue guidance by $140 million at the midpoint. So why did the stock fall 17%? Read the fine print. Its largest AI customer, a 9-figure account across 17 Datadog products, will cut platform usage starting Q3. Q3 guidance midpoint of $1.14 billion implies just 1.7% sequential growth. The market saw a customer concentration story, not a beat. Next, Airbnb, and this one went the other way. Q2 revenue rose 17% to $3.61 billion, edging past $3.58 billion consensus. Adjusted EPS came in at $1.37, beating estimates by 8.7%. Adjusted EBITDA jumped 21% to $1.3 billion, about a 36% margin. Nights and experiences booked accelerated to plus 10% year over year. Gross booking value climbed 16% to $27.2 billion. Q3 revenue guidance midpoint sits around $4.73 billion, travel demand is holding. Shares popped 12% after hours. Now while ConocoPhillips nearly doubled its profit. Adjusted EPS of $3.24 beat the 2.96 consensus by 9.5%. Net income hit $3.9 billion, nearly double a year ago. Revenue of $19.52 billion topped the $18.79 billion FactSet estimate. Average realized price jumped 36% to $62.33 per barrel of oil equivalent. Delaware Basin production hit a record 720,000 barrels a day. Buybacks doubled to $2 billion in the quarter. And CEO Ryan Lance is retiring after 14 years at the helm. Quick hits at Comcast's broadband engine is stalling. Domestic broadband revenue fell 5.5% to $6.28 billion. Customers only dropped 1.7%, but revenue per user slid from $76.5 to $73.5. Revenue is now falling roughly 3 times faster than the customer base. In media M&A, the UK cleared the Paramount Skydance Warner Brothers Discovery deal. The $110 billion merger has now passed 66 jurisdictions. WBD holders get $31 a share in cash plus stock consideration. The real hurdle now, a March 2027 state attorney's general trial. Finally, Boeing and Lockheed's rocket JV, ULA, is raising $500 million. The Vulcan Centaur rocket has been grounded since February 25 after a motor anomaly. Watch tomorrow's open. Datadog software peers may reprice on AI concentration risk. For the full breakdown, visit LineVestnews.com and get our free LineVest daily brief.